Hi, it's Meryl from Meryl's Magic Math, and today I want to show you how to schedule and reschedule or cancel any online or in-person session using my online scheduler. So first thing you can notice, you go to my website, merylsmagicmath.com. You can see in the upper right corner that I'm already signed in, and it'll usually say the beginning of your name. So the first thing, if you want to schedule for the first time, it's under More and Book Online. Then you can choose between the in-person, online, or online 30-minute sessions. Most people are in-person, so just click whichever one applies to you. And then whichever date you're looking for. So I'll just choose the 28th. It'll show you the available hours I have. Hit next. And then you'll just, since I'm already signed in, it already knows my name. So my name's there and email. You don't have to put in your phone number or message. I know it also says like public library, but we'll just meet at the place that we have already discussed or already meet, and just choose book it. You can then add it to your calendar if you want. But you are booked and I have that confirmation email. Now, if you find that maybe a sporting event comes up or you want to reschedule for some other reason, or you have to cancel, you would do that by going to the right drop-down arrow by your name and My Bookings. Then you can kind of see that date we just selected. So you can choose, so here's more information. You can book again, or we want to reschedule. And it will take you back to the same calendar. So it went to a different day. There's nothing available that day, but maybe, so this day we could do the 5:15 p.m. or here's more options going into the next week. So just be aware that due to driving to multiple locations, I might not have all of the availability, but I will do the best to accommodate you. And my cancellation policy, please notify me at least 24 hours ahead of time if you do need to cancel or reschedule. Thank you.